Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today let's take a look finally on the euro currency. So yesterday we talked on the Great British Pound. Euro currency, very similar situation, although the overall swings are not so great as on the cable. So on the Great British Pound you could see that downside action was really tremendous and upward action is more active. But in the euro you could see the same things but in a significantly tighter scale. So first of all, what we have currently, our grabber that has been formed now formally, theoretically is done, because if we'll take a look at these lows, you can see the market has formed slightly lower bottom here compared to these lows. So in fact the new lows has been formed. So that's the minimal target of any grabber that is forming. From that standpoint, this pattern is completed. At the same time, we do not see any support action. The market stands really flat and can't drop even to near standing 30% support. So usually when the market hits some important target, we know that this is monthly COP, and since then it stands flat without any significant retracement for a long period. Well, this is as usual the bullish sign. But at the same time, currently euro is a bit tied from the upward action because its overall positions are overloaded currently. It's too much new longs have been opened in a very short time period. It was really too fast and too far for the euro with this upward recent rally, and it needs some relief. I think that in current circumstances, if we would get a bit different situation with these long positions and market was not so highly saturated as now, well, I suppose that euro could continue upward action. But currently, well, it stands flat, and on the daily chart we do not have some really significant trading stops, but overall standing near the top without the pullback once the major target has been hit, it's always a bullish sign. On the 4-hour time frame chart we also do not see something really interesting. The one thing that we could consider is on the hourly chart. Here's actually what we have. This pattern has been erased as we suggested on Monday. Cable has destroyed this pattern earlier. Euro has followed in the next session, and indeed market has dropped right here. Here we still have the bullish divergence. Unfortunately, market here stands not at some significant support. It's nothing actually. This is not some significant target, not significant support, and it shows a fast pullback up from here. The one thing that we could consider, for example, it's again kind of the hand and shoulders pattern. If it will be formed, well, we could think about taking the position around 1750, 1785, 1790. It's right here. Once it will hit first neckline, confidence resistance here on the pullback, we could consider taking the long position with anticipating of some kind of the ABCD deeper retracement to the upside, or maybe even upward continuation. We do not know what will happen, but that's the pattern that could be formed. Well, taking the short position currently, I do not see any good patterns, any good setups currently for that. It's nothing really that could let us to take the short position. Grabber is already done. Overall price action is very slow and gradual. No thrusting action to the downside. So taking the long position immediately right at this point, it's also not quite logical, because here is again what we could base our position on. So nothing really special. We need some real more clarity and some more pattern. That's what we have on the euro. On the cable, well, we're still considering the pullback that stands here. As we said, well, this will not be probably the bread by the sell, because it's already too much closing above the 3x3. But if somehow market will drift high and hit this level, well, that will be the background for possible taking the short position. Conversely, if market will not reach this level and starts to form double repo buy, that will be scalp buy opportunity for scalp traders. For us, I mean those who trade on the daily high time frames on the cable. Well, in this case, if double ripple will be formed, we just need to wait and see when it will be played out, and we will consider taking the short position from the highest standing levels. As we said yesterday, cable could show deeper retracements just because of the forming reversal swing and strong bullish momentum that exists on the market. So that's what we are keeping an eye on currently. So let's see what we will get, and maybe let's hope that either on EUR or on the cable we should get some more trading stops today, tomorrow.